Hi. What you doing? Hi. Are you moving all of Mommy's cans out of the pantry? Yeah. Into the doorway there. Yeah, because they look better there, you think? Hmm. Uh-oh. Is there some dirt on your finger? Thank you. Mm-hmm. Okay, well, you keep reorganizing for Mommy.
Mommy.
Yes. Yep, keep up the good work. We'll just have to, put it all back before dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's no problem, though. Here's all your little cans. Mm-hmm.